What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, and we back with another video. This video right here talking about this haul that we did at HarleyDavidson.com. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we got a package from the Emma to the Zon. This package here is for, let me just show you. So it's for the Harley, and it is from DS18. So what it is, these are the Pro SM 6.2 speakers. Says that they RMS handle 200, max handle at 400. Now, from what I've been told by another source, is that these speakers do not hold that, but if they can hold half of what, they're advertised to hold, then I think I'll be good. Because what I'm not doing, I'm not building a show bike, I'm not building a show bike. I'm not building this competition bike, sound competition, car show bike, bike show bike, none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually very, like, I can hear my music pretty loud and clear when I'm going 80 miles an hour. I don't know if any upgrades have been made to the speakers. I don't believe, I know that the head unit is the same. However, I don't know if they made any upgrade to the speakers. I wouldn't know that until I find out and pull everything out the bike. You know what I'm saying? So I would have to take out the front fairing. Take out the front fairing and then go ahead and pull the pods off and then see what speakers are in there. So we'll get to that eventually here, just so you know, kind of see what we have. However, that is a reason why I only bought 2 of these speakers, because in the event that what I have in the fairings has already been upgraded, like I said, they do sound fairly decent, not a big problem. We'll go from there. Hold on. Sorry about that. Some people just have no freaking manners. No, I'm fucking with you. They out there doing their yard work on a Saturday. I'm chilling. So, like I said, the Pro SM 6.2 6.5 slim motorcycle mid-range loudspeaker. Perfect for motorcycles, it says, advertised right there. A lot of times, you know, people buy a speaker, it's not necessarily a motorcycle speaker, but you know, they're trying to, you know, figure it out or whatever, and that's fine, because at the end of the day, who wants to pay however much for a set of speakers, bro? Like, me personally, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. Everything I do is budget, you know what I'm saying? On my other channel with my cars, everything I do is budget. So, you know, I know that I've came over here to the Harley world. Ooh, that matches my bike, man. Turn the camera, man. Turn the camera, even though you won't see it. It should match my bike, man. Okay, you really can't see that it match, but you can see that it match. So yeah, so the thing, like I said, everything that I do is pretty much budget over on the car side. So I'm trying to find out these budget things that I can do on the Harley side. You know, they say HD stand for $100. I mean, you still end up spending a couple $100. However, you know, if it's things that you cannot pay $100 for, that's fine. Me personally, I did not want to spend $500 on 2 speakers or spend $500 on 4 speakers. You see a whole lot of different setups and things out there. You know, some people swear by this way. Some people say, oh, just do it, cry once, buy once, cry once. You know what I'm saying? Like, I believe that there are quality sound solutions or just overall bike solutions out there that are not going to break the bank, that are more budget friendly, and go from there. So, like I said, DS18 Pro says a motorcycle speaker. As you can see, the depth is really not that deep. Like a lot of speakers, they're large. As long as you still get a decent sound out of it, that's fine. I do like how it has these connectors on the back versus, you know, the ones that you just kind of push on there. So with this, you can just take your wire, stick it in there, let it clamp on. Less probability of it separating. You don't have to solder. You know, once that pressure releases on there and you put your wire through there and you snap it, then you know that you're good. So now fitment wise, I did bring y'all out here for fitment. So these are my speaker pods from Advan Black that came with spacer rings. You know, I guess in the event that, you know, you need some more space behind your speaker. But honestly, with this speaker, I do not believe with these speakers, I do not believe that to be the case / issue. So like I said, Advan Black speaker pods for the lowers. I was gonna just do it all at one time. I know that I said I was probably gonna push this to next year, but YOLO. Tomorrow's not promised. So we're gonna take our speaker. As you can already see, I mean, the depth is there on here. So like I said, I'm not really worried about it fitting in there. It's in there, pretty much flush, can't even see it. So this speaker is not one of the ones that you would need a spacer for. More than likely it's going to be one of those other speakers. I was looking at some, I think they were like Pro Moto ZT6s. I mean, they have like a large magnet on the back of them. That one in particular speaker, I'm pretty sure you would need these like 1 inch, you know, or 3/4 inch spacers to kind of help push it up out of there. So let me just show you what that would look like. So you can put that like that, and then you double back with your speaker, and boom. Now your speaker's not necessarily flush anymore. However, if you did need that extra room back there, then now you have it. So just something to think about, man, as y'all are out here, you know, shopping. I know it's a lot of people that's been in this Harley game longer than I have. I've just been doing my due diligence and research and making sure that I get the best budget-friendly option for myself. Some people got the money to blend, the money to blow or spin or whatever, you know. One thing that I've kind of, and I will say I kind of always live within my means, you know what I'm saying, but sometimes I haven't been scared to, you know, treat myself. So that's where we at with that. So like I said, once I do get ready to pull the fairing and look and see what speakers that I already have in the bike, I can then at that time go ahead and I can verify what is in the upper pharynx. Worst case scenario, like I may just go ahead and buy 2 more speakers, right? Reason being that I will definitely, so say that I take the pods off. Well, no, actually, that's the reason I bought 2. I'm getting ahead of myself. So I bought these so that in the event that what's in there is still stock or whatever, I can upgrade those speakers. Now, I get them from Amazon. I get them like next day. What it doesn't do, so what I can do while I'm already in there is I can take those out. I can replace those speakers, put in the DS18s, but it doesn't keep me from doing what I need to do and buttoning that back up. Then at a later date time, I can go back and I already have access to those lowers on the bike, and that's why I can know confidently that these speakers will fit in the lowers. There's no issues, etc., etc. So this was like a test fitment video. So for the lowers. Let me know in the comments, what are you running on your bike? Budget friendly. Don't tell me Hertz. I don't want to hear about no Hertz. I don't want to hear about Cicada. Look, I know and believe that they are probably excellent speakers. However, this is for all my budget-minded people that's trying to save a buck. So if you're running something other than Hertz, other than Cicada, other than something that's fucking $300 a speaker, then drop it down in the comments. Let me know so you can let others know. That way, you know, they can know what their options are. So, and we